UAB Tech Innovations.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Under quantitative aptitude, today I need to start in quantitative aptitude natural numbers. Okay, here see I have displayed one poster here. In topic one natural numbers. Okay, in natural numbers is a basic sum, sum of squares, sum of cubes, averages are there. In basic sums, we have to mention here. See, what are the formulas I have used in each topic. Each question I have mentioned one formula here. In basic sum, we have to use one formula n plus 1 by 2. N of n plus 1 by 2. Okay, for example, if you give n is equal to 10, you can apply the you can use the value and mention in formula, you can get the answer. Okay, see, natural numbers always starts with 1. By mistake the number starts with 0 means under comes whole numbers. Okay, uh, then in basic sum we need to use this formula. Okay, no problem at all. See, I have displaying it a usable content, not unusable content. Please note the formulas and revise. Okay, then we go to the sum of squares. Observe what I have displayed poster here. In sum of square we need to use that formula n of n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, for example, if I give the n is equal to 10, you have to substitute that value on that formula, then you can get answer easily. Then see, in averages we have to use that when we compare to basic sum of square, sum of cubes, here averages is different. We need to use formula first number plus last number by 2, then you can get the answer. Okay, see, please note these formulas in your notebook. Maintain one rough notes when I am in the session, because of I am giving you shortcuts based on that questions, and I can give the from basic level to advanced level types of questions for you. Okay, and then here observe and solve, try to solve these questions. See, when the average, what you can see means you can add the first number plus last number by 2. If for example 1 to 10, n is equal to 10 means first number is 1, last number is 10, by 2 you can get the answer. Then natural numbers will completed. Okay, revise the topics. Then we can go through the whole numbers. What is whole numbers? Here I am displaying one poster here. Whole numbers means is nothing but the numbers starts with 0 is a whole number. Another way we can say that the combination of 0 plus natural numbers is nothing but whole numbers. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, no problem at all. The smallest whole number means 0. The greatest whole number means n. We can't predict. Okay, see, first 5 whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I already said in whole number starts from 0. Whole number it's a gunshot question. They will ask. They will ask. Don't confuse. If you get confused means you will lose the marks. Okay. They will ask the first 5 whole numbers means what is the answer? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Based on index, the five numbers are there. See, in intermediate level, the questions will ask like this. Sum of first 25 whole numbers starts with 0. Then 0 to 24, 25 elements are there. Yes or no? We can use the formula n of n minus 1 by 2. N minus 1, why? Because 0 included in whole numbers, that's why we have to use n minus 1 here. That's why we need to use that formula n of n minus 1 by 2, then we can get an answer. See, here average of 30 whole numbers 0 to 29. N minus 1, n plus 1. Average I said different. When you compare to basic level, that average is different. The formula also different, because in average we need to use add first number plus last number by 2, then we can get the 0 plus 29 by 2 is nothing but 14.5 is the answer. Then when we came to advanced level topic, sum of even whole number 0 to 100. Sum of even whole numbers, even means which is divisible by 2. Yes or no? Remainder 0. Then 0 to 100 means 0 is also even number, we have to include that one also. 1 to 100 means 50 numbers are there, include with 0 25 51 numbers are there. Formula we can use that n of n plus 1 by. See, we can take 2 common from the even whole numbers. then we can find the sum of 50 natural numbers. Yes or no? The answer will come. Then you can multiply it with 2. Then the sum of even whole numbers, sum will come when we multiplied with 2. Yes or no? Yes. Still, that's why I'm saying, see, if you don't practice means you will get confused. Please practice, because it's not a theoretical, it's a mathematical operations. We have to practice. That's why I'm saying again and again, be practice. Day to day life we have to practice daily. Okay, see, some questions ask like this also. If some whole number, observe here, last one, I have displayed here. If some whole numbers is 300, then find the numbers n. It means what? The sum of whole numbers is 300, then find the numbers n. How many numbers is there? When the numbers are get sum is equal to 300, then how many numbers? The question meaning is this one. N, we need to see, if you observe these types of questions, you need to use n square minus n minus 600 is equal to 0. This is a gunshot question. Answer is 25. How 25 will come means, when I am representing in paper, I will tell, no problem. See, if you saw n is equal to 25 mentioned in the formula, you can get the answer. N square, n is equal to 25. 25 square means 625 minus 25, 600 minus 600. Yes or no? 0 na? Then the answer will get. Yes or no problem. Then here see, the whole number also completed. Still practice. I completed basic level, intermediate level and advanced level in step 1. Okay, don't see, be practice. Without practice you can't get it. Okay, see, when you come to aptitude, without practice nothing. See, if you have any queries, WhatsApp me, I will message you. Or we are developing one official website for students. The website, these websites refers to student, used by students only, because students will get knowledge. I know, train best in aptitude. Okay, no problem. If you have any queries, let me know. I will send you my material. Okay, no problem. Then we can go through the topic integers. Integers means, what is integers? Integer is a single value integer where there it is a positive or negative. No problem. It is not in floating point. It is not in fractional form. Then it is known as integer. What is integers? See, in a line we need to mention 0. 0 right sides are positive values, 0 left sides are negative values. Yes or no? In graph we have to, in x-axis, y-axis, intersection point is 0. Then 0 right values are positive values, left values are negative values. Yes or no? Then we observe here, what is the absolute value of minus 15? They are asking here. I have displaying here one poster. Observe this. Okay, focus on it question. If they ask like absolute value of minus 15 means, you have to apply mod on that value. Mod of minus 15 means nothing but 15 is the right answer. Yes or no? Then they will ask questions like this also. Which is greater than minus 5 or that's a direct question we have to answer. What is that answer? 3 is the greatest. Yes or no? See, I see number line mentioned here. Observe. First middle element is 0. Right side elements are positive. Left side elements are negative. Those are all known as integers. Yes or no? Sometimes question will ask like this also. Add minus 7 plus 10. See, if this questions ask means, you have to follow that Bodemas rule. Okay. Furtherly, I will tell in depth about Bodemas rule. How to use Bodemas rule, I will tell. No problem. Now we know. Now you know just the word Bodemas rule. Okay, you have to apply that. Here see, in intermediate level they ask questions like this. 15 minus of minus 8. It is a simple question. You have to observe. Don't get confused if you see these types of questions, because if you get confused, it means you will put the wrong answer and you will lose your marks. Yes or no? See, the 15 minus of minus 8 answer. Question for you guys. Answer it on comment. Okay, no problem. These types of questions are multiply, like means minus 6 into minus 4. See, in mathematical operations, the multiplication of same operations will get positive. The multiplication of different operations means it will results also positive. The multiplication of opposite operations it will get negative. Nothing but plus into plus plus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into plus minus. Okay, they will get the they will give questions like this also. Minus 10 plus 20 minus 5, what is the answer? In that time you have to use Bodmas rule. Yes or no? Okay, nice. In advanced level they will give the answer like this: minus 12 into 3 minus 5 of plus 8. These steps, see that Bodmas rule will helps you. See, if you don't use that Bodmas rule, you will get different type of answer. That answer also will present in the option. Simply you will go and select that option, leave that question. That time what will happen means you will lose marks. You will get shortlisted for the next round. Yes or no? That's why I am saying you please follow that Bodmas rule. Okay, then simple questions like this: if a is equal to minus 3, b is equal to 4, find a square plus b square. Simply we can find this answer. Okay, see, that topic is completed. Now we are entering into another new topic is called rational numbers. What is rational numbers? The rational numbers is nothing but the number in the form of p by q form means rational number. For example, 1 by 2 root 2 5, which is a rational number. If it's a gunshot question, directly we can select the answer 1 by 2, because 1 by 2 is in p by q form. Root 2 is not in p by q form. 5 is not in p by q form. Yes or no? Then root 2 and 5 under comes irrational numbers. Then 1 by 2 is only rational number. Yes or no? See, you have to observe once. That's why I'm saying revise and revise. Without revision you can't get marks, and you can't predict that answer. Okay, you can't solve it. See, the simple questions like this also. Convert 0.5 into fraction. 0.5 point after one digit, then divide 5 by 10 is the fraction form of 0.5. Then we can 5 by 10 convert into 1 by 2. Yes or no? 5 ones, 5 twos. So simple like questions like these types of questions we'll ask. Then another question we can go through. Third question: write 3 by 4 as a decimal form. Simple questions. 3 is divisible by 4. Yes or no? Then 0.75 is the answer. Here I mentioned one shortcut: terminating decimal is equal to rational, integer is equal to rational. You have to observe that rational number is nothing but which number is in form of p by q form is called a rational number. Yes or no? I will give, after completion of these questions, I will give some quiz. You can update, you can practice. Okay, no problem. See, we can entering into another level. It means intermediate level. The questions will ask like this: 3 by 5 plus 7 by 10. You can take LCM and you can solve this easily, no problem. At a time they will give addition or subtraction. Means first of all we can go through that LCM method. Then we can get answer easily. If you get multiplication, directly we can multiply. Yes or no? Then here one shortcut I mentioned there, observe. That's it for today's class. Thank you for attention, and subscribe my YouTube channel, share my YouTube channel, and like and support guys. That's it for today. Bye bye. Dekho.